my subscribers. The small amount that I have, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. So tonight we're doing couscous. Curry couscous. So this is chickpeas. This is onions, scallion, thyme and garlic. Putting some mixed veg in it. And some bell pepper. So we're doing curry, as I said before. You know, I have to throw in a little bit of my jerk seasoning in there. I'm gonna put like an all-purpose seasoning. And this is my olive oil of choice. I mean, you guys can use whatever you want. Yeah. So 1 cup of couscous. Here we go. So you take the couscous, put it in the pot. And then we're going to take 1.5 cup of water. Why I say 1.5 cup of water is because, you know, the water going to boil. It's really 1 cup, but for every 1 cup, 1 cup of water. But the water will boil. We'll add some salt to it, and then after the water start boiling, you add it to the couscous and cover it up. You'll see. Set it and leave it. So yes guys, so this is the couscous, curry couscous. Yeah.